my dolce. I'm making Zeppole. Zeppole di San Giuseppe, St. Joseph Fritters. And these are served on St. Joseph's Day, which in Italy happens to be Father's Day. And the batter for my fritters is really easy and simple to make. It is water, flour, salt, and my favorite part, cinnamon for the wonderful aroma and the mouth-filling flavor that it brings. Now, I need to let this cool down before I add the eggs. Just cover this up with a little plastic wrap so it doesn't skin over, and into the fridge to cool down. This one I made ahead of time, and I've also beaten my eggs into it, so it's ready to go. A piping bag with a star tube on it. And my Zeppole batter. Simple technique to fill the pastry bag. Roll it down over your hand, scoop a mountain of batter on it. Then you can work the dough down to the nozzle. Now, on a piece of parchment paper or aluminum foil, you pipe the Zeppole.
Io non sono romantico, io non sono atletico.
Using a knife to help you cut.
Sono un ragazzo ordinario, ma libero un magnetismo, forse l'atavismo. Solo così piaccio alle donne.
Once that's done, and now we fry them in some good hot oil. So having the Zeppole stuck on these parchment paper pieces allows you to drop them in. And as they start cooking, they just float right off. That way I don't burn my fingers.
Presto ti prego, parlami, voglio sentire.
And with the next one,
Male, parlami, ho bisogno di te. Perché te ne vai, cosa ho fatto? Tu mi lasci, io non posso fare a meno di te. Io credevo di conoscerti e tuttavia, sì, non so più cosa aspettarmi.
Now, traditionally, these fritters are served with pastry cream, but I like to do them with this sour cherry mascarpone whipped cream topping. Look at that wonderful pink blushing color. And that came from the juice of these sour cherries, whipped cream, a little sugar, and mascarpone for that extra added kick. So decadent. Zeppole di San Giuseppe. I can't wait for Father's Day in Italy. have been so looking forward to trying this dolce. And I have to use a knife and fork. Add the hidden cherries inside. A lightly warm, freshly fried fritter with a mascarpone cream. That is light and fluffy with a little crisp exterior crust to it. It is exquisite.